welcome to our YouTube channel. It's Tony's Designs, and in today's video we'll show you how to create this stunning viral photo effect on Pixellab. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Let's get started. So delete the default text and head straight to the import icon to import the image you'll be working with. Okay, I'll be changing the aspect of this image to 1:1 in such manner, and I will increase the image size to fit into the design. Okay, I'm going straight to lock the image so it doesn't distort any other process. Okay, after this, I'll be making use of the shapes tool here, and I'll be reducing the size. I'll be creating a music note pattern shape. So and I'll be making use mainly of these rectangles. I will duplicate this. I'll just copy and increase the length, and like this. I will also copy this and increase the length like this. Okay, I'll be copying this also. Copy this and place it to this place. I'll copy this. I'll just place it so it gives me what I want. Okay, I'm done arranging the shapes. I'll be making use of the grid lines now to ensure that they are properly aligned. So I'll do that for the first pattern, second and third, and I'll be going to the position. I'm making use of the position tool to adjust those that are not aligned. I'm making use of this also. Okay, I'm done aligning it. Okay, the gap between these two rectangles are too much, so I also make use of the position to join them together so it doesn't give excess spacing, which I don't want. So this manner, just adjust it. Okay, and we are good to go. Next, I'll be merging all the shapes together. This manner, I'll merge everything together and I'll lock it once I'm done. I'll be reducing the size so it doesn't look too big. Reduce the size or leave it like this, so it's okay like this. Then I'll be locking it. I'll be introducing another square to cover the entire design. So I'll go to the color feature to enable color so that our design will be visible. And from here, I'm going to take this newly added square behind the merged shapes like this, and I'll merge them together. Okay, and finally I'll be going to the erase color fill icon to enable it and change the background color to white so it looks visible. So this is how to create a viral stunning image on Pixellab. Thanks for watching to the end. If you gain value from this video, please like and subscribe for more inspiring content.